This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Brenda Lavin. First time on the market. This 3-bedroom/2-bath home has been lovingly maintained over the years. Inside laundry room is conveniently located off the eat-in kitchen. Cathedral ceiling in living/dining room. Split floor plan offers decent sized bedrooms. Huge screened patio overlooks large fully fenced yard. Shed for extra storage. Centrally located close to shopping, dining and just minutes to the beaches. Accordion shutters 2021, garage door 2010, West/H 2019, AC 2009, roof 2002. For more information, review the details below or contact Brenda Lavin at 772-530-9515.